Hey class, this is a brief instructional video just about how to navigate this site if you haven't done this before, or if you have done it before but you're not really sure how this class is going to be operating. I just wanted to show you kind of what would be going on. Let's start with the page that you would get as soon as you click into Canvas. I'm assuming you already know how to do that since you are watching this video. And the first thing you do, of course, is to find the class you have to enter, which you've probably already done. I've used this LSU Eye of the Tiger symbol here is our class symbol, so it's in celebration of my alma mater, and you'll see a lot of LSU stuff on my site. The home page for our classes here, it's basically a list of what's called modules. I put up one module per week, and you'll get the full list of modules from the first to the last week. It's all here, and the assignments are in these modules. This is what you should see when you hit the home page in our class. So what I mainly wanted to show you was what to deal with once you actually want to start doing the assignments. The first thing you probably should be aware of, though, even before that, is that on the left-hand side of the screen, well, actually, I'm now in the instructor. I'm in the instructor view. Let's actually go to the student view and see what you would see on the left-hand side of the screen. All right. Left-hand side of the screen, you have these options here. You can always check out your grades. Here's the syllabus, which you should read. In fact, you have to read the syllabus because the very first assignment you have is a syllabus quiz. Then there's a couple other things that are pretty not that crucial right now. But to review. So the first thing you're going to see is you get to the modules. Only one has been set up right now. All six will be up there by the second week of the course, probably. To get through the class, to make sure that you do all the assignments you need to do. Do not simply go through all these assignments. Do not go to the syllabus and go to the bottom and see the list of assignments down there. Let's see. If you do, it's I don't know why Canvas does this. They stick all the assignments here like a summary. And a lot of students think, oh, I just have to do these things and I'll be done. And that is not true. So if you want to get through the course and do everything that needs to be done so that you can get the best possible grade, what you do is always you start at the first page in the module, which is called What to Do and Think About This Week. And I will put a page like this at the beginning of every single module. Every week we'll have one. And here is where the complete list of assignments is. So for example, this week, you can see I haven't actually made the video, so it'll go there. You have to watch the video. You have to take the syllabus quiz, all right, available on this module, which means it's in one of the pages following this one. So that one you can see. What you don't see if you're just looking at the module is something like this. You have to take this quiz. This quiz is available on this link. If you go back and look at our module for this week, you see that that particular quiz is not here. It's not the syllabus quiz. It's something else. So if you're going through the module just article by article and skipping this page, you're going to miss assignments that are mandatory to get through this class. So basically that's it. That's the number one thing I wanted to say is always start here and work your way through this list, and that is what will guarantee that you are doing all the work. What the other pages are about in the module are basically the instructions or sometimes it's textbook stuff, sometimes like in the discussion pages, those are places where you're being asked, oh, it's not even open yet. You're going to be asked questions, you have to respond to those, other people will see what they are. Exercise, etc., etc. The Hoop Dreams Part 1 is an instruction page with some text on it. That's the kind of thing that we're doing first off. So, yeah, main thing, again, go through here, what to do and think about this week. The first thing you have to do is deal with the syllabus. Just to make a couple points about the syllabus. Yeah, I try to give you as much information as I can to sort of help you get through the class. And most of it's about just being realistic with what this class entails, how much material we have to cover, and how little time we have to do it in. Generally, I think if people struggle with this class is because they don't pay attention to the syllabus and the warnings that are coming across in the syllabus. My goal is not to scare people away. I really want everybody to take this class and do well in it. My goal is to get rid of people that are just not realistic, or not to get rid of them, but to sort of just warn them that this is not the class for them. I try to be as very clear as I can in here on how to get through this class, how to succeed, how to do well in it. Mostly comes down to being having solid time management skills and not overextending yourself. I think somewhere in here I say, look, if you're trying to take 2 or 3 classes in the summer, you shouldn't take this one. I would take this class alone. I wouldn't even have a second class with it. But anyway, like I said, I'm just trying to help you out with that. So that's the basic information you need. Throughout the course, you'll see that I'm always saying, look, if you have a problem with anything, you should send me an email immediately. Do not wait. In 6 weeks, there's not a lot of time considering we have to cover 15 weeks of material. So, okay, we'll leave it like that. That's all I really wanted to get across today. I have other announcements and more of these little videos coming. So, yeah, get started with the work. Send questions when you have them, and yeah, looking forward to hearing from you. All right.